Oh my God. My brother made me walk up. Thank you, Bomani. Look at the view. I'm halfway. Oh, look at it's worth it. Walk all the way up. Take your time. I'm halfway. And do not wear flat shoes like these. Wear you some sneakers or comfortable shoes. If not, you'll be barefoot like me. Oh, but the view, I forgot how the view was. Yeah. Walk up. And you, oh wow, you can see the ocean over there. Oh, look at that. I'm halfway.
It's like, I feel like a wonderful statue.
Wow. We are halfway. I gotta get up there. Okay. So, he convinced me to go all the way.
I convinced you. That's just what's up. I want your phone.
Thank you. You inspired me. I'm halfway. We're gonna get there. I know. You guys was like, go all the way. Just stop when you need to. Oh, I'm really showing you this. Ooh, it's worth the journey. You can check out all the flags. If you're out of shape like me, it's okay. Take your time. Woo! You gotta stop. Stop. Oh my God! Look at this view.
Right? You get like up over the old city.
Oh my goodness! This has got water, land. Look at this view. Wow! Absolutely breathtaking. I don't know if it's the stairs or here. Look at the water. Ooh.
The lighthouse at the top right there.
Yes. This is.
Man, the air is nice and fresh.
Yes.
It's incredible.
Even if you're out of breath, it feels amazing. It really feels amazing. Oh. Wow, I came all the way down. You thinking I gotta get back down, but the view is so worth it.
Hey, Mr. Everybody, that Kari.
And he went up twice. Okay, I got 2 flights more. Let me hurry up for my camera died. I made it. I'm gonna make it. Wow.
Hey, my little guy. Look at you. On top of the world.
Yes, I am. He made me come. I'm so glad he did. The view is awesome, right?
You cheated because you rested for half an hour.
Yeah. Well, not half an hour. The first time I didn't come, I stopped. Then I wasn't going to go.
I'm out of breath.
You can do it. You can do it. You gotta do it.
It's worth it, right?
I was screaming.
It's so worth it. Look at the view. I had to take my shoes off.
Oh, you did?
That's why I tell everybody, make sure you have on comfortable sneakers. What you think?
Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. I made it up to the top. Wow, this is incredible.
Yes.
It's absolutely
How you feel, Jada? This was absolutely just beautiful. The view is just phenomenal. Wow. Wow. The doors are closed. I don't know if they let you in or not. They do?
Yeah, wait. They said I had to wait.
Oh, and then they take you to the top? Le Monument de la Renaissance Africa. Ooh.
He said we're residents, so I guess.
Look, it's written here for president, we have 1,000. Huh? Monsieur?
Right?
Vous pouvez payer.
1,000 people for adults.
Allez-y.
How much is it for kids?
1,000 tickets for adults for simple visit.
You gotta walk more upstairs to go up in the body?
No, we'll see the way to proceed. We have an elevator inside. We'll see how to proceed. It depends on you.
Oh, so for an adult resident is 1,000.
Yes, safe.
Look at
That's
that.
it.
So how much is
3,000 is to go to the top side to see whatever it is inside.
Oh, you going up inside the statue?
We pay 500.
All right, I did it. And I'm grateful I did it. And I'm loving this view. Y'all going more steps? Yeah, I'm staying like this part. I said this part. That's the hotel. I mean, you could just come sit up here. That could be your daily exercise. Wow. What an amazing view. Look at this view. This is just beautiful, breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. And that's the water way out there. Look at how they are developing this place. Senegal is growing, it's maturing nicely. Wow, this monument is huge. It's huge. It's huge. Wow. Nice view. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. Isn't it beautiful?
Best artist.
Loving
most
it.
talented person ever.